Friends, hello and welcome you all friends. As you know that myself Yogesh Raghav, and today I'm just going to present you a great product that will help you to build your own brand. The product name is 4Brand, as you can see on my screen, friends. So friends, what basically is a 4Brand? Actually, you can call 4Brand is a rebranding app, uh, which means friends, if you have got your own site or your own blog, or if you have just started your business, then friends, you can use this tool, you can use this software to build your own assets that includes your logos, and you can also create a video, a tutorial, and means this software is having a built-in template, and that means you just don't need to do anything from scratch. So just you need to pick a template from this software, and you can customize it yourself. And so and also you just don't need to hire any uh, third-party vendor. In sense, you know that like if you have just started your own business, or if you are a newbie into this market, then you all know that you just need to spend a lot of money in your business uh, advertising. That mainly includes creating of logos, banners, and templates. And hence, for that you just have to pay a lot of amount. Okay, so since this software will just help you to uh, rebrand your business, that you can just create your own logo, and you just create a video demonstration for your clients. And like can as you can see on my screen, uh, this is a renowned brand which is um, Apple, like as you can see on my screen. So friends, as you can see that in 1976, the Apple logo is like that, and on 1977, it's like that. So till 2017, Apple has rebranded itself, and the main reason behind rebranding is that if you keep your brand uh, updated as per marketing norms or as per marketing standards, more and more clients will get engaged to your business, and you just can build a healthy relationship with your uh, clients. And so that will surely help you to get more and more revenue. And so this is all about this software sense. And like you can see that there are some of the testimonial or review of the client who just have used this software to just help to get profit uh, out of their business. So like when if you just want to start a new business, or just you want to represent yourself, or to start a new career on freelancing site, which includes Fiverr and Upwork.com. So this tool will surely help you to just to just to get the uh, package that you need in order to start your business. You just can use this uh, product on anywhere. Like you just can use this tool for your own personal use, or just if you want to rebrand or resell your product, then also you just can use this. So friends, you can see on my screen, it's not so hard and fast to use this product like us. I had said before, you just need to select a template, and friends, trust me, there are over 300 million design available in this uh, software that you can choose. And these all designs are unique, and they are and also very professional, friends. And step two, you just need to customize uh, the template that has been provided when you purchase this software. Okay, and so step three would be, you just need to save the template and you can download it. So you just can do whatever stuff you want using this amazing tool. So friends, these are the few stuff that you are seeing. Like these are the type of logos that you can build using this software. These are certain mockups that you can build using this software. These are few logo intro that you can make using this software, and these are some of the great branding graphics that you can use in promoting your business sense. So friends, for me, it's a very good prospect for you. Like if you do have a business that you have just started, or you are into this market from many years and just you want to get more revenue from your business. So this software is a very good prospect for you, friends. So like you just don't have to do anything. You just have to download, install, and you just don't need to have any prior uh, experience to use this software. And the most important part is it's a newbie friendly. Like if you just don't know anything about rebranding or marketing, then you can easily use this software to do stuff for you. Means you just don't need to like pay. You just don't need to devote hours and hours in order to just create logos, banners, and all that stuff that you might do yourself, or you may hire someone to do it for you. So friends, this is my site. Uh, I have uh, created a good review about this about this 4Brand software, and all stuff I have provided over here. Like who is the author of this software? His name is Neil Hetius, and so he's a very renowned author who have built many software that includes funnel value, Vidal, meet value, member value, mail value, and tourism. Uh, you can also search the same thing on Google about this author, and you will get to know more. Depends. You just simply can go through my site and just you can see like how this product works, and I have provided all detailed info like uh, what bonus or what upsell you will get along with this product. There is a content software that is worth $39 and these all benefits that you will get. And also there is a one-time offer which will last for which is $67 per year, and it's a $97 one time. And these are all benefits that you will get from this offer. And this is the second one-time offer. So friends, it's all the info that you just need to know. I have provided on my site. You just simply can go through my site and get all detail about this product. And these are the few uh, bonuses that you will receive once you buy this product, friends. Uh, okay, so these are the bonuses that you will get. And I have also mentioned some pros and cons, like if there is any negative point of the software, uh, means you just have to buy at least one Upsell. Like if you want to use all premium feature, that you just need to buy a one Upsell of this product. So friends, this is all from my side. Friends, in case if you have any doubts or you just need to ask something, you surely can mail me. I have provided my mail ID and my Instagram handle below this video. And friend, one more thing, like if you just buy through my link, or if you just purchase uh, using my site, I will send you some exciting gifts other than this software. What you need to do, you just need to you just need to mail me a screenshot of your purchase that you've done uh, from my link, and I will send all bonuses for you on your mail. Uh, so that's all, friends. So this is all about what I have to say about this software. So thank you all, friends.